What's up, everyone? So today I am excited because I am opening Mystery Tackle Box's Juggernaut box, and this box is specifically for bass fishing. So it's not a lot of something I have. I don't have a lot of stuff for bass fishing, so I was pretty excited when I realized that they had these in stock at my local academy. So we're going to open this and see what you get for this. All right, so let's get right into it. So if you buy the Juggernaut box, it's going to look something like this. Okay, so in this box particular, they said there's anywhere about 16 to 22 items, and the value is around 140 bucks. They claim to basically use top-notch stuff. They don't use bottom-of-the-shelf stuff, but you know, people claim that still. But so far, I've opened a couple of these, and I really like them. So we're going to get right in here. So I always try to open these without just destroying the box. So let's get in here. All right, it's a nice box. Holy guacamole. Okay, there is a lot of stuff in here. Okay, let me flip you around. So this is what it looks like just opening the box. There's so much stuff in here. Holy cow. Okay, let's go through it. Like I said, this is for bass fishing, so let's go through some of the stuff that's not super important or anything like that. So first and foremost, our stickers. I always love stickers. Honestly, I'm just a huge fan of stickers. This gives you like a little poster of some sort that just gives you kind of the zones for, you know, your specific lures and baits and things like that. So that's pretty cool. And then you get a booklet that gives you kind of just a beginner's guide, honestly, of what's in here, how to use it, where you should use it at, how deep, things like that. That's pretty cool. So you get that book. So you know, if you're not familiar with that, then that's really good for that. So all right, so we have a jig. It's pretty nice. I like the color. The colors matter more than you realize. I didn't know that until recently. All right, sweet. Got some synthetic bait. This is actually marinated too. So this is garlic and salt. So it's already marinated. You can kind of see that it's, you know, the bag is kind of oily. Always gets me. Oh, here you go. Yeah, that's great. Nothing wrong with this. I'll take this. I just lost one of these in one of my other videos. So that's pretty awesome. Oh, here you go. I'm trying to get these right in the camera for you. That way you can see them. Okay. So far, everything's pretty good. I'm okay with all this. Oh, okay, I've never used this before or anything even like this one. So neat. Okay, some more synthetic bait. Looks like it's also marinated to some point, but it's in like a plastic inside, so I can't squeeze it. But it claims that there's scent on it already. Oh, another jig. Some more synthetic bait. Yeah, this one is not marinated, so just a synthetic bait, and it's pretty heavy. So this one is scented. Some more. Oh, this looks exactly like the one I lost. Another one. weight. And the jig. You know, kind of just, those are good. Those are cool. I like those. Ah, that's a nice one too. These are really nice so far. I'm really happy with what I found so far. Yeah, my buddy has some of these. He likes them quite a bit. Lobster. I say lobster, crawfish, I guess. No, I bet not lobster. Okay. Some crankbait. Nice. And then one more item in here. See, that's kind of small. Well, all in all, I mean, that's quite a bit of stuff. That's quite a bit of stuff in here. Let's flip you around. So you got all of this and all of this. That's quite a bit of different things. Some of this stuff I've never used before. Some of it I'm familiar with. I am by no means a bass expert, so I'm not going to claim I know exactly what all this does, but I have used some of this stuff before, and yeah, and a lot of it I haven't. So that's typically what you'll get in a Juggernaut box. They claim the value is around 140 bucks. I've not checked to see what the prices of all this stuff actually was, like if I was to go out and buy it. So I'm not 100% sure if that's accurate. If you want me to, leave me a comment and I will price this all out for you to give you an exact value of what you get. This box costs you $100. So if it does cost 140 bucks, you're saving yourself $40 and getting all this stuff. So, I mean, it's really cool, and it's a fun way to get stuff that you may never buy yourself. You may be one of the guys that's like me and you buy exactly what you get every time and you never try anything different. And so buying these mystery boxes has really kind of put me into the place of using things I don't usually use. I was raised on, you know, just basically worms. Me and my dad, that's what we went fishing when I grew up. So I am kind of really now just getting into like the synthetic baits and the crankbaits and the gliders and all that stuff. So I'm not 100% sure on how all they work, but I know that I have some buddies that use this stuff a lot and they love it, and I'm gonna give it a try. So that's what comes in the Juggernaut box. This is a short video. I just wanted to give it out there too so you guys can kind of see what's in it, and then yeah, make your own decision. If you like these videos of the mystery boxes, let me know in the comments and I'll keep getting more and we'll keep opening more. Or if you have any other mystery boxes you want me to try, anything that goes along with what we do, you know, camping, fishing, outdoors, we'll try to pick one up and try to get them open for you so that you can make an informed decision on whether or not that's something you want to purchase. So with that being said, guys, stay normal. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you later.